Darling, and you're watching continuing coverage of The Search for a Supervillain. Joining us via satellite are Ratchet and Clank, the heroes who defeated Dr. Nefarious over 2 years ago. Ratchet, Clank, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us, Kip.
First, he was dead.
In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice Award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryo-sleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Cronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
I'm over here!
We must stop the Zagroot before he destroys the city.
Got him!
Unhand the Aphelion right this instant.
Hello, I'm Kip Darling,
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
and we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the maulings.
This one's mine.
The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
I detect trouble ahead.
It appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
I will help you, Ratchet. All enemies have been destroyed.
I'm over here! It's headed for the airway. Come on, we gotta catch up!
I am detecting a hookshot. There is nanotech over here.
Yes!
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
The steering's out! Shift your weight! It'll bend the gravity coils! Watch out for the air cars!
Here's an interesting fact. This is the 7th massive creature of destruction President Quark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
He's destroying the city!
I have located the Zagroot. We are almost there.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave, thanks to Proton Paul's Zero-G coffins.
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One can only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and invade our city.
Hey, get away from my pal!
My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you. This is becoming dangerous. Ratchet, I require assistance.
Clank!
Greetings, citizens, and thank you for taking part in Friendship Through Firepower. Are you ready to get certified? Since this is just a recording, I'll assume you said yes. Oh, this is awkward. You don't have enough bolts for that one. Why not try one of our gently used police blasters? This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustors. Start by unholstering your weapons. Okay, safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings, yada, yada, yada. Aha! Okay, step one, fire!
I'm over here!
Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. If you're not me, chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power. Congratulations, citizen. You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friends Through Firepower initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
This one's mine. Nice! More ammo.
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot. Kid, you can come out from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
If 3 marriages taught me anything, it's that deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
Found ammo!
More enemies are on approach.
This one's mine.
Get ready, Ratchet.
Yes!
All systems are operational.
You ready, pal?
Get ready, Ratchet.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblak, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Our analysts are working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the Zagroot belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes!
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblak.
I have your back, Ratchet. My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you.
Hey, get away from my pal! We got ammo here! Nice! More ammo! That was close.
Well done, Ratchet.
I'm over here! I'm over here! I'm over here!
And the fight is on. The entire city watches with bated breath as perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly light-eating Zagroot.
Just a reminder, tonight's battle to the death is brought to you by Big Al's RoboShack and Gaming Superstore, honing noobs for over a decade.
I may need to repair.
Things look grim for Clank. Let's hope he finds some nanotech soon.
I don't feel so good.
Younger viewers may want to leave the room for this. Ratchet appears to be in a bit of...
I might be mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would prevent the Zagroot from healing himself.
There's no room for speculation in this game, Pepper. And down he goes! The Zagroot has been defeated! I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this newsman hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there